So today is the topic is number and their accuracy, and we have two types of numbers. One is exact numbers, another one is approximation numbers. So what is the example of exact numbers? Can you tell anything how? But exact numbers we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like that, and again 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 and 5 by 6 like that. It is called as a exact numbers. So what is approximation numbers? So you can approximation numbers, for example, root 2, root 3 and root 5 and so on. So and pi value and e value, then sigma value. So many values are have in this called approximation values. So in this regarding, we have two types of numbers. It is more accuracy in the approximations. So this is a numbers and their accuracy means how to exact numbers they are already accuracy, and approximation numbers it is not accuracy. So this means you have the irrational numbers and rational numbers. So rational numbers are repeated and non-repeated numbers, and also irrational numbers, but it is repeated sometimes or not repeated also is there. So that's why it is called as irrational numbers. So now we'll go for this topic is numerical analysis. We are going for the numerical analysis, significant digits and significant figures. So significant digits are significant figures. This is one of the major role in the numerical analysis. So what is the meaning of significant digits or significant figures? So now the digits are expressed. Digits are expressed in the number is called as a significant digit. So if a significant digit means how write as 3.14567 and again 1.34789, so 1.5678 like this. All the similar numbers are 5-digit numbers. So this is called as a number can be expressed. It is called as significant digits. So for example, another one 0.0052, 0.0016, it is only two numbers are expressed. That's why it is, but it is given after decimal 4 digits are there, but you have expressed only 2 digits. That is called as a significant digits or significant figures. So now I am going to the another topic. Today our topic is error. Error and error types are you are need for the examination only the error, absolute error, relative error and percentage of errors. There are the most important absolute and percentage errors. So in this regarding, first you have to go for the what is the definition of error. Therefore it is a numerical values. The numerical value of difference is that is true value of a quantity and its approximation is called as a error. So this error belongs to the absolute error and relative error and percentage of errors. So these are three types of errors regarding using by the approximation errors. So now you are going to the, for example, if you true value of a quantity, if x is a true value of a quantity and x1 is a approximate value of quantity, therefore the difference between absolute error EA is equal to mod of x minus x1. So that is delta x. That is nothing but del x. Sometimes the denotes are different way you have write in the book to book is different way you have to write in the del x and delta x. So this is a absolute error. Absolute in the sense the mod value within the boundary is the absolute is a positive value. It is called as a absolute value. Then go for the relative error. The relative error means here the relative error means absolute error by true value of quantity. That is a relative error by true value of quantity. That is called as a relative error. Then this is one of the definition, that is ER is equal to absolute error divided by true quantity is called as a relative error. That is orally how the mathematical EA by delta x. So this is a relative error. Then the another one to go for that is a percentage of error. Percentage of error means that relative error into 100, therefore it is called as a percentage. So these types of errors you need for the approximations. So thank you.